Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how you can back up in your WeChat account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your WeChat on your web, or simply you can open it in your desktop through its app. So once you open your WeChat account, all you need to do is simply press on the three lines on the left hand side of your screen. You can find this icon on the bottom left and simply press on backup and restore. After you do this, you need to select the backup on PC or on your mobile phone. If you have selected PC, all you need to do is bring your mobile phone and press on the backup all option. After you do so, you need to press on the done button, and once it is backed up on your computer, all you need to do is press on the OK button. So after this, you can also back up on your phone by selecting the chats you want to back up and pressing on the OK button. Once you do so, your WeChat will be backed up in your mobile phone as well. This is how you back up WeChat. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.